Hey, what's happening, guys? Bruno here, Bruno's Classic Car Garage. I got some new stuff to put on the car again here. It just keeps coming in. I'll never be out of work. Anyways, I got the underhood insulation. I guess I'll be putting that on today. And I also got the new door strikers, or the door pins. I don't know what you want to call them. I got those vents. So I'm getting ready to do that. And I also got the mat for the trunk and a few other trinkets there. I got some pieces there that I got to do some plating. So I got a little bit to do here today. I also got the material for the seat to get fixed up over there. I don't know why it goes blurry. I don't know if I got to set my camera here or what. So yeah, I'll be able to start putting the rest of the interior back in. I'm just still waiting on seat belts, I guess. And so yeah, it's coming together. It's coming together here. Got the 2 door panels done. See? Looking good, looking good. So that's pretty awesome. So I'm gonna get these strikers here swapped over, and these little vents, and then start working on that insulation stuff. All right then. All right, guys, I'm back. Okay, I'm just gonna tape around this striker here so I can put the other one back. I don't want to have to monkey around with the alignment, but I probably will to some degree, because these ones here don't have this little plastic, you know, the one that turns here. So this might not be lined up exactly, but I guess we're gonna find out. There we go. Let's get it off. Let's get it off. And I noticed they're different lengths, which might be good because these ones have an extra spacer, and it'd be kind of nice if I didn't need that. That would be good. You can see this one was wore out. To see where it was rubbing here, there's a flat spot on here. So that's it, man. That one's done. Here's the fancy new one. Let's see. Let's have a look-see here. So is it the same or is it different? Let's see. No, actually it is the same distance. Well, that's no, it's a little bit longer, actually. No, it is longer. It's longer by, let me see here. Yeah, it's longer almost by the thickness of the washer, just about. So maybe I'll get away with just using this, hopefully. And I don't want to put any Loctite on it right now, because I'm probably going to have to take it off. And of course these use you know, it can't be a Torx like the original one. It's got to be an Allen. It's got to be Allen. You know, the washer is the same thickness, eh? Okay, so that looks good. Let's see if the door closes. It's still pretty stiff with these new rubbers, so let's see if it lines up. Nope. So I do need the washer. See? Like I said, I knew I was going to have to take it out. It's not quite far enough out this way. So that's kind of crappy. Originally, these were just painted with the car. They just didn't care. They just painted. They had these on first, and then they painted the car, right? Which kind of makes sense because you don't want to be messing up the paint trying to get these things lined up. So now I'm going to have to use one of these watches. And actually, you don't really see any of it except for the edge. And so I'm going to go and I'm just going to go clean this actually and give it a spritz. I'll be back in a second. Oh, sweet. Just waiting for the washers to dry up. I figured I'd put these vents on. And wouldn't you know it, they don't fit. Would you have guessed that? Now I gotta shave down the edge here. It doesn't want to go on. So I'm gonna have to file the opening here now. Isn't that nice? Uh-huh. It never ends. No surprise, I guess, eh? Don't slip. Am I going to need a bigger file here, or what's happening here? Might have to do the top and the bottom. Man, I tell you. It's pretty close, but it needs more. I gotta grab a different file. You guys are going to tell me I'm using the file the wrong way. It should be cutting on the backstroke and all that kind of stuff. There we go. Okay, so it didn't need a lot, but still. Now I got bare metal here. So I'm going to have to put something on here a little bit. Just a little bit, you know. Alright, I got sprayed a little bit of black on my paint lid here. And we'll just touch it up a bit like this. Kind of like so. Don't get no runs. No runs. Actually, I should try and do the back side a bit too. Hey? Get the back side here. Kind of like so. Alright. And I'm even going to put some on here a little bit, because it's probably going to want to rub off, because I don't have 6 weeks for it to dry. And then I can, with my luck, oh, the screws line up. Wow. Wow. I mean, wow. And don't over tighten these. The other ones probably would have lasted longer, but somebody over tightened them. They just need a little tiny snugging. That's it, just a snugging. Alright, so that's done. I'm going to go get my washers. Alright, I got my fancy washer. I did them in this kind of highfalutin silvery, supposed to look like chrome. It actually, it'll look good here. It'll blend into this zinc coating here. I could have done it in black, but the black takes like 46 weeks to dry. So see, you can see it a little tiny bit different, but you got to be looking at it. That's why I'm the project manager here, man. Somebody's got to make these executive decisions. And hopefully it doesn't have to go higher, because that's as high as it goes. Alright. Let's get it on. Let's get it on. Oh, it's too far. A little bit too far that way. Gotta be here. Like, get it right, eh? Get it right. I do like the Allen thing better on these. Actually, I don't even know if I have the right size on here. Probably not. Is it supposed to be this one? Nope. This one? Nope. Well, that's kind of weird. What is it? Some kind of a metric Allen? Alright, let's try it out. See what we got here. Well, looks like it's not bad. It looks good. It looks good. There we go. I'm still not going to Loctite them yet. I'm going to wait in case. So there we have it. That one's done. I'm going to go do the other side. And I'm not going to bore the crap out of you. Anyways, I did a video yesterday about the hardware. That hardware cost me $390 for those, you know, all that grade 8 stuff that I bought there yesterday. Just in case you guys were, you know, left in suspense, eh? Alright guys, talk to you later. Hey guys, if there's anything you like about the videos you're watching, please share, like, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.